Hello, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money with Zelle in Bank of America. This process is actually quite simple and easy to do. What we're going to do is open our Bank of America app, and here we'll enter our username and password to log in. Once we're logged in, we'll see this. This is the main menu. We're going to focus down here where we have this option that says transfer with Zelle. We're going to click there, and when this opens, we'll see this whole section where we can view the Zelle settings. If you don't have Zelle activated, you'll see an option to enroll. It's very simple. You just need to enter a phone number or an email. Here we have the option to send. We're going to click this option when it appears. Now, here we'll see the option to send money to a contact. We can either scan the contact's QR code, type in their name, email, or phone number, or select them from recent contacts if we already have them saved as a recurring contact. So here we choose one, add the contact, and select the amount we want to send. Once we've chosen the amount, we click continue here, and then we click send. And that's it. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.